Hello. We're gonna do a skincare routine, and I realize this is unprofessional, but this is all I have right now. And I really want to make a video for you guys, so let's do it. Hope you enjoy. Step 1, we have to take off our eyelashes. So this isn't the right way to do it, but you just like, step 1, eyelashes off. Life is good. Okay. Step 2, we're going to, step 2, giant jug of coconut oil. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rub this all over our face. So, this is a whole 56 fluid ounces of coconut oil. I love coconut oil. It's good for the soul. If you hold it too close, it'll splatter. And then you get coconut oil everywhere. Which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's good for your soul. We should put our hair up, but I have a long neck, so we're not gonna put my hair up. Okay? Okay. Sorry. Okay, what you're gonna do, dip your hand in your giant jug of coconut oil. This probably doesn't make sense, but it's what I do. I'm not a skincare person, nor do I have fancy stuff, so I do what I do to get by. So take your coconut oil, rub it together, and we're just gonna rub it on your face to get the makeup off. And it doesn't burn your eyes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is a look. This is a look. Now that you're oily, try not to get your hair in it. I mean, you can if you want. I just took a shower today. Not trying to get my hair wet. So, now, turn on your water. And I have this thing. I got it from Ulta for super cheap. It's a cheaper version of what everyone else uses. And it still works exactly the same, but wow. You want to wet it in your water. And then we have our soap. I use this. It's pretty good. And then but after we have our soap in here, get it wet again and turn it on. And then I like to let it sit for a minute on my hand to warm it up, to get it bubbly, and then you just, that's it. It doesn't bubble, but it's still doing the job. Okay, now that we have that part done, we're gonna wash our face. We're gonna wash it off with soap, and I'm gonna use the same soap because I don't have anything else. So. I'm broke. So I'm gonna rinse it and then I'll be back. So enjoy. So now that all our makeup is off and we look like we're dead. I look like a sad person when I have no makeup on. I have these Oxy pads. Here they are. Wow, amazing. So here they are. You just wipe your face with them. And you can see all the dirt on it, like all the excess makeup that you forgot when you scrubbed your face, but don't get this in your eyes because this will burn your eyes and it's not a fun feeling. I've done it before. Okay, now that that's done, step 2 is I have this. It's Oxy spot treatment, whatever. The Oxy stuff works, and like I put it on like acne that I have, like boom, boom. Honestly, I have acne all over my face, so I don't know what I'm hiding. It's everywhere. I have a spot everywhere. I just put it everywhere. This is like also I use this as a primer for my makeup because it works really well. And then I take off my makeup at the end of the day and it's clear, so I must be doing something right. But this can really dry your skin if you use it too much, so like be careful. This is probably the worst skincare routine on the planet, but this is what I do occasionally. I don't do this every night. That'd be silly. We have Clean and Clear Dual Moisturizer Action. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's really good. It's a moisturizer. It's good for your skin. Pump it out. Pump it out. Delish. Rub it all over your face. It's good. I painted this. Do you like it? I worked really hard on it. And that's pretty much it. Hope y'all enjoyed this horrible quality video. I want to make a video, and I feel like you guys always ask me for a video. And this is my setup right now. This is why I want to make videos, but this is my setup. I don't have much right now, as I used to, but I'm getting there. Don't worry. Oh, life is hard. Life is hard, but I'll see you guys. Follow my Instagram, like, subscribe, because I don't know how many followers I have on YouTube, but subscribe, like this video, comment what you guys want to see. I'll try to do it, no promises. I've said I was gonna do a lot of things, but never actually did it. But if I like your idea, maybe I'll do it enough, or maybe I'll eventually do it in like 2 years. So let me know. I love you guys. Thank you for still telling me to put on YouTube videos, even though it's been like a long time. I appreciate it, and I appreciate everyone sticking through my horrible upload schedule. I don't even have a schedule. I do it whenever I want. But thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys next time whenever I see you. Have a good day.